Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is recalcitrant. Recalcitrant means refusing to obey rules or authority, stubbornly uncooperative. A recalcitrant person or group strongly resists control or guidance. They refuse to follow instructions, often in a bold or defiant way. For example, a student who ignores all classroom rules and argues with the teacher is recalcitrant. Synonyms: defiant, unruly, disobedient, unmanageable. Antonyms: obedient, compliant, cooperative, docile, submissive. Let's see some examples. The recalcitrant employee refused to follow the new safety procedures. Dealing with recalcitrant teenagers can be challenging for parents. The recalcitrant villagers opposed every government project in their area. And that's it for today's advanced word. If you enjoyed expanding your vocabulary and want to sound more confident and fluent in English, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Vocab Builder, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new word. Share this video with your friends and help them level up their English too. Comment below using today's word in your own sentence. I'll be checking and giving feedback. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!